Hello and welcome to the English We Speak, where we explain phrases used by fluent English speakers so that you can use them too. I'm Fei, and on this really cold day, I'm with Phil. But how come you're not cold, Phil?
Oh, well, I've just had lunch. Hot soup. Hot potato and leek soup. It's perfect for a winter's day. It's my go-to for a cold day.
Your go-to. That sounds like it could be the expression of this program.
Why not? A go-to is something that you, go to a lot or in a particular situation.
A go-to is a preferred option. So if I said Phil was my go-to for soup, he'd be my preferred option when I need someone to make me soup.
And you can have a go-to for anything. A nice cafe might be your go-to for lunch. A quiet spot might be your go-to to relax. You might even have an outfit that's your go-to for parties.
Let's hear some more examples of people using go-to.
When I'm trying to get warm in the winter, my hot water bottle is my go-to.
There's a small butcher near my home, which is my go-to for fresh lamb chops.
I'm so annoyed because my programme that's my go-to for relaxing in the evening has been cancelled, and now I don't know what I'm going to do.
Now, we've been looking at go-to as a noun, but we can also use it as a compound adjective. We already know that you are my go-to guy for soup.
Yes, and we can talk about go-to options, go-to holiday spots, a go-to resource to find answers to things.
And if you're looking for a go-to website to learn English from, look no further than BBC Learning English. We'll be back next time with another expression.
See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, it's Beth.
And Georgie.
We want to tell you about our new series, The Pronunciation Lounge.
Want to improve your pronunciation and speaking skills? Learn how to hear, recognise and produce sounds in English with this video series.
What's the difference between British and American accents?
What's the most common sound in English?
And what have you got to practice to sound more natural in English?
All episodes are available now on our website, bbclearningenglish.com.